Hey, Kitty King TV here with another Lost Ark guide. So this one is for the quest, the factory in the secret base, right? So once you get this, it'll say here, if you don't already have or haven't done the previous side quests, that it doesn't really tell you where to exactly go for it. It's going to say, you got to find the secret hideout access card. And if you're like me and you're like, well, what the hell, where the hell is that? Yeah, you just go north and do this little side quest up here, this yellow side quest. It's mentioned in there, and it's called Defective Product. You get this done, and then you'd be able to go ahead and continue on with the next quest. Now, after doing that, it will open the gate down below. For 3, you'll see that this gate opens into a dungeon and whatnot, but you still will need a ticket for it. Just go ahead and continue this yellow quest line. It's very short. It'll have you run around and killing everything here. And once you do that, you should get a ticket to be able to continue on. I hope this helped you out. If you're Pepega like me and you're kind of speeding through and don't know exactly, sometimes you get stuck or lost. Hopefully this helps you continue on your journey. All right. You guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy questing. See ya!